Varsha passed out from. And
Passed out. She passed out. This is where she's done all her schooling, complete schooling. That is the place where she used to eat her food.
Hang out with friends.
Hang out with friends, eat her food.
It's a play area.
She's eaten a lot of pani puris there.
Varsha for the first time. This is the fashion design college where Varsha and me started our diploma together. Okay, here we are at the JD Fashion Institute. This is the place where I first met Varsha, and that's the balcony that we would sit and do our assignments in.
I'll sit here next to my card.
Varsha, we are all here to just make you remember all the memories we have started from. We love you. The college loves you. The fashion designing team loves you.
The teachers of the college. Yeah.
कब बड़ी हो गई मुझे पता भी नहीं चला। इसके लिए मैं खुश भी हूँ और दुखी भी हूँ। वो ससुराल चली जाएगी तो मैं क्या करूँगी, तेरी याद बहुत आएगी तो मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं क्या करूँगी। मेरी बेटी ससुराल जाएगी
और
हमेशा खुश रहेगी, सबको खुश रखेगी, यही मेरा कहना है।
हाय वर्षा, जिंदगी में रंगों की कीमत का पता वक्त के साथ चलता है। रंगों में सबसे भारी रंग इन दिनों पीला रंग मुझे सबसे अमूल्य लगने लगा। कारण जब बेटी के हाथ पीले होते हैं तब उसकी कीमत का, रंगों का मूल्य मालूम होता है। बचपन से अब तक वक्त कैसे गुजर गया पता ही नहीं चला। अब जब उसकी एंगेजमेंट हुई और शादी की तैयारियां शुरू हुई तब जाके पता चला कि दुनिया में सबसे अमूल्य रंग जिसे हमें पीला कहते हैं, हाथ पीला करते वक्त मालूम पड़ा कि कितना अमूल्य रंग पीला है। वी लव यू वर्षा।
I met Varsha through Sajan actually, and other people, her friends also, like Roshni, Ankush, Vipul, and everyone. So it's been like fascinating journey with her. I mean, like the friendship is like everlasting. So we call wala bond hai, and we have so many memories. Like I have so many memories with her. So I'll cherish for all those memories all my life actually. And we have that bonding, like we can't express. We can't express to the people also. And she has been the best friend till now, and she'll be the best friend for me. And yeah, in a character-wise, she's very much energetic, helping. Overall, the human being-wise, she's the best. She's the best person I have met till now.
I happened to meet Varsha in college when I entered JD. Not entering with not knowing anyone and coming out with one best friend. Working on 2 different concepts and making the best of friendship that none of us ever thought. Meeting this fellow, meeting a lot of them through her. This person troubles me a lot, and I jailify him only for Varsha. Just saying.
Oh, so cute, baby.
And yeah, the friendship that me and Varsha share will never be able to be told in words or in any other form. We've met for like almost, now we've known each other for almost 3 years. We meet almost every day. We talk every day, even after we meet on the phone. Like after we meet also, we are on the phone all day long. We're always connected, come what may. Now she's getting married. It's the best time of her life. It's a new change. All I can do is just wish her the best, hoping that nothing will change, whether she's married or she's a mother of 2. Nothing can change. There's one thing that I only know, that in her I found a best friend, a sister, someone who I can call anytime, my 4 AM friend. All I have to just say is, I love you lots, Varsha. Please stay happy wherever you are. Dude, he's already...
Dude! Come on.
So, Vipul. Okay. It all started with a common friend. I didn't know it would turn out to be so nice. I just thought it would be a normal friend. But then she turned out to be a very good person. Was not expecting so much. But then, yeah, I can say that she is the best. And for me, she's always going to remain a good person. And friends, it was always nice. I wish her all the best for her life. I have nothing more to say about it, because the message what I want to convey, I hope she knows. And wishing her all the best. We'll miss you a lot. It is little difficult to digest the fact that she is actually getting married. So yeah, I will miss you a lot. All the best.
I've known her for the longest, I believe, of all.
You need a discipline, I guess.
It's been probably 8 years or 9 years, more than that. And from there on, we've just been very, very good friends. Just stuck around with each other, no matter what has happened. The trust, the bonding, it's just been amazing, fabulous, I should say. She's just been there for everyone, I should say, you know.
Yeah, actually.
For everyone, what she's done, no person on this earth can do. It has been like this.
We can't pay back.
We cannot pay back. Whatever she's done, no one can pay back her. She's been the most unselfish character I've met. Just there for everyone, just there for everyone. No matter if you say no, we'll do it. She's like, no, I am going to take this part. I'll handle this. She's changed me in 8 years.
Happy that she's getting settled.
You know, she's made me a good person. She's made me mature.
And one more thing I'll tell, Varsha and Ankush are like 2 sides of a coin, of one coin, seriously.
I should say we all would miss you a lot.
Seriously.
We don't know how things would turn out after marriage. Been a fabulous, fabulous journey.
मैं वर्षा का भाई हूँ, वैसे तो सब मुझे जानते हैं.
You can talk in English.
Come on, bro.
I know her since very long because she is being my sister. And she is elder to me, of course. She is really nice person. बहुत help करती है.
Vipul, no crying, no more tears.
I mean, I'll help him. Actually, in their family, Varsha is like
The man of house.
the center of attraction. I mean, if she...
The power of the house.
Yeah, actually the power of the house. All of the 3 families actually. She does everything in her family, like whatever they have to take initiative, everybody is like, where is Varsha? Varsha is going to do it. And I don't know how they are going to cope up after her marriage. I mean, they'll miss her a lot and lot and lot.
In fact,
I mean, just you can see the way he's crying, seriously. I love you and we'll always be there for you. No matter what.
Varsha!